Hi, my name is Eric Blackburn. This is my EDL 852 Mod 3 Leadership Style, Characteristics, and Traits video. Looking at my own individual leadership styles, I'm a democratic and authentic leader. I value those that I'm leading and what they can bring to the team and their views and their impact and what they have to say, and what basically that I believe that they can help to lead themselves and they need to have a voice in what is said. I believe I'm an authentic leader that leads by being honest and open with my staff, expecting them to do the same. Looking at some different characteristics of democratic and authentic leaders, they should show respect for others, value honesty, embrace communication, and take risks. Some different characteristics of solid leaders and different traits that were shown throughout the resources was, as Aguilar stated, leaders need to have visionary leadership, be a community builder, have emotional intelligence. Horton stated that ethics make us to be more effective leaders. We learned from Tracy that the 7 different characteristics of an effective leader are vision, courage, integrity, humility, strategic planning, focus, and cooperation. And then again, going back to Horton, he said that with moral ethical values, you need to have honesty, respect, responsibility, fairness, and compassion. The great leadership theories that were shown, there was 10 of them. The first was the great man theory. Either basically you have it or you don't. The trait theory of leadership stated that showed what traits we should emulate to be effective leaders. The skills theory of leadership said that practical skills rather than qualities of leaders are more important. You need to have technical, people skills, and conceptual skills. The style theory of leadership said that we should be focused on people but also on performance. The situational leadership theory stated that there's no one-size-fits-all model. Leaders must be able to adapt those that they are leading. The 6th one was contingency theory of leadership. You need to basically fit the right leader to the appropriate situation. The transactional leadership theory stated that people will follow based on the incentives in place. Leaders must find the right mix of rewards and punishments to motivate their subordinates. The transformational leadership theory, leaders gain commitment through encouragement rather than paying those who are doing well or punishing those that aren't. The leaders member exchange theory is built on respect between leadership and followers, with an in-group and an out-group that affects performance and the desire to stay and serve those around them. And finally, the servant leadership theory states that if the leader creates an environment built upon meeting the needs of the subordinates, trust and cooperation and higher performance are resulted. And that was all from Christianity in 2013. Are ethics present in my leadership style, characteristics, and traits? Yes. Everything that we do must be ethically grounded if we hope to be an effective leader. Why do I have my current leadership style, characteristics, and traits? Much of who I am as a leader is rooted in my upbringing. I was taught to treat others with respect, do what is right, and stand up for what you believe in. Many of my leadership traits are a reflection of great leaders I've seen and been led by. These could be coaches, teachers, mentors, and bosses. Conversely, I've also had some pretty poor leaders that I choose to go absolutely away from their leadership style, and that's also had an impact on me. Setting the positive example as a male in my school is having an impact on students and their future. Many do not have a positive male in their home, and others do not see the benefit of hard work, respect, and accountability at home. I need to set that example for them. Changes that I need to enact on my leadership style, characteristics, and traits. I need to find a way to increase my level of patience with others. Also, I need to be more understanding of differences in others and related to their effectiveness, time management, and their prioritization. Those are 3 of my greatest strengths as an employee, and so I struggle working with those that do not have those as strengths. Here are my references as given to us for this assignment. Thank you for viewing my video.